The R12 G/S pays homage to its heritage with a design that features a central hawk-beak fender and a singular headlight, reminiscent of the original R80 G/S. This retro styling is complemented by modern touches, creating a motorcycle that appeals to both classic enthusiasts and contemporary riders. The minimalist rear end, enhanced by integrated 3-in-1 lighting, and the chrome exhaust pipes characteristic of BMW's boxer engines, contribute to its robust and muscular appearance. Compared to its predecessors, the 2025 R12 G/S introduces several significant enhancements. The incorporation of modern rider aids and adjustable riding modes represents a leap forward in technology. The chassis has been refined for improved agility and responsiveness, while the suspension system offers greater travel and adjustability, catering to both on-road comfort and off-road performance. These advancements position the R12 G/S as a versatile and capable motorcycle that respects its heritage while embracing modern innovation. At the heart of the R12 G/S lies an air/oil-cooled 1,170 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine, delivering a claimed 107.3 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 84.9 lb-ft of torque at 6,500 RPM. This power plant is paired with a 6-speed gearbox featuring an adjustable lever to accommodate various riding boots. The high-mounted left-side exhaust enhances ground clearance, a practical feature for off-road excursions. The R12 G/S utilizes a tubular steel space frame, with the engine serving as a stressed member, enhancing structural integrity. The chassis includes steel eyelets for securing luggage, a taller steering angle for improved maneuverability, and a bolt-on tubular steel subframe. Suspension duties are handled by 45mm fully adjustable upside-down forks at the front, providing 210mm of travel, and a fully adjustable shock at the rear with 200mm of movement. This setup ensures a comfortable ride across diverse terrains.